2 years ago, when we first came up with the idea of starting a Christmas tree farm, we knew it would take effort. We also knew that keeping the grass mowed down would take effort. However, we still weren't quite expecting the load of work that came from only 1 acre of planted trees. 36 hours of grooming around the trees. That's a lot of work for one person or even 2 people to do when you're already busy with farm, family, and life in general. So we set out to try to find a better pathway of keeping the grass down without having to resort to herbicides. Our first trial was with turkeys. We wanted something that would fertilize the ground, we wanted something that would eat the bugs, and most importantly, we wanted something that would eat the grass and not the trees. Most other types of animals were too big to put out with the tiny baby Christmas trees. Horses, goats, pigs, sheep, all of those would likely stomp, nibble, or roll the trees to death, along with the grass around them. So we needed something small and somewhat delicate. That's where turkeys came in. Turkeys eat grass, so we figured they would do well foraging around the trees. However, we quickly found out that while turkeys do eat grass, they really don't eat that much grass, and they are just kind of stubborn animals. And after just 2 months, we ended up having to butcher them. But that left us with an opening for a new animal to fill their shoes. And after some research, we may have found possibly either the best one or maybe the worst one. You be the judge.
Not like breed standard. So she has really white wingtips, and she actually she had kind of a rough start, so she's more of like a pet. We don't use her for like breeding or anything, so she wanders her farm with that guy over there.
So that's a different height.
It is, yeah. So he's
Are they supposed to have different, like the males and females have different colored eyes?
Yeah, so you'll see like one of my males has blue eyes. So the younger ones don't have their blue eyes yet.
Oh, okay.
So they will get blue eyes. But he's a Sebastopol.
Yeah,
so
I see those are pretty popular.
Yeah, they are. They're very chatty. So he'll make that noise a lot. She won't do anything to you. She's very friendly.
Oh no, I'm not.
Yeah.
we've got turkey, so.
Yeah.
So is she full grown then?
Yeah, so she'll fill out more. Like you'll see the older ones, they're a lot fuller. About like year and a half old. So she's still smaller on the smaller side. They get really loud when people come up to them, but otherwise they're pretty quiet.
Yeah, the chickens do the same thing, so do the turkeys.
Yeah, so you can see like how much bigger he is, and like some of the older females.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like they fill out a lot.
Oh, yeah.
How well do they eat the grass out here?
What was that?
How well do they eat the grass out here?
They keep it down really well. So we do, I was telling her, like we do mow out here just to keep the weeds down, because they won't eat like the really rough stuff, but all the soft things like the clover and the grass, and like they love dandelions.
So would you ever eat one?
We thought about it. The 3 that you're taking were going to be possibly freezer geese if you didn't take them. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we thought
Is that
about
them
it.
right there?
The ones in the plastic ring are the
Oh
ones
my
you guys
word,
are
they're
taking.
huge. We thought they were gonna be a lot smaller.
No, they're all males. The females are gray. Yeah, the females. She's keeping those for our breeding program next year. The males, those are the 3 males that we didn't end up selling this year. So,
okay.
Yeah, we're expecting probably 80 to 100 goslings next year.
Oh.
So.
Oh, there's a kitty. Hi, Goose Goose.
And they do go through a mold every year too. We put them in there.
Gotcha.
So it's really just something that's gonna be dry and draft free.
Right.
But they're pretty cold hardy.
Okay, that's good, and that's what I want.
Yeah.
Something that's a little bit more cold hardy.
Yeah, and last winter
That's cool.
air vents in the back I closed up with plastic so they
Yeah.
wouldn't get drafty, but it got down to a little below 0 last year and they were fine.
Yeah, and they're not like ducks or
Oh my goodness, they're cute.
Yeah.
We have a female right now and we're gonna sell her. Just
He doesn't want any
I don't want to
more
deal with
pigs.
baby pigs and stuff.
I was like, we should breed her and have some babies, and we can raise up babies. Well, despite feeling very under the weather, they got the fencing up. I think a little bit of coffee helped. And now we're getting ready. This is actually our igloo coop fencing. So this is a portable movable fencing, and I really, really like it. The only thing I'm not happy with is that this stuff does tend to break over time, and these poles don't last very good either. But all the other igloo coop products are great. But there's a link in the video description if you're interested in checking it out. So these girls are a lot more feisty than the boys, and a little bit rougher shape. Corners over here need to be fixed, and then probably this needs a stake. There's nothing there. Nothing. It just never was. There was never anything in there. So I grabbed that fence post just to stick it up there. Well, this is good. He's like, come here, let me groom you. Then we got this one guy over here. He's like, it's possible that one goose might take 2 ladies. You guys want some water? Hi. There you go. There. Oh, actually they're pretty quiet. And they're being pretty sociable too. Hey, do you want to be friends too? This was the one that was more vocal. This was the one that's more scared. Hi, buddy. Hi.
They like the little seed head.
They do. Hi, buddy.
That's my shoe.
It's okay. He's just
nibbling at my shoe.
He's like, oh, what was that? There you go, guys. Hi. Oh,
Huh?
I don't think so.
There's been a hawk up here flying around.
Yeah, but the hawk would have gone after the cats, and it hasn't yet. It goes after the snakes. That's what I usually see it eating. The snakes and the bunnies. These guys would be a little bit too big for a hawk, I think. Hi. All right, so we got the boys some fresh water, and we're gonna let the girls out. They've been waiting, pulling all their feathers out. All right, ladies. See, they're definitely a lot more wild. Hey, hey. So we will leave this cage in here. Here you go. There you go. Everybody's saying hi. So the girls are gonna decide which boy they like the best, and hopefully no one's gonna fly out of here, because those girls are a little expensive. And if they get loose, it's gonna be a little tricky trying to get them back. So we kept them in the pen for a good 18 hours just to make sure that they are visually bonded to the area, and to make sure that they want to stay with the boys. So hopefully. You're welcome, friend. You're welcome. I told you you'd get some ladies. All right, fingers crossed that they stay in the pen, because it's not electrified. He's chasing the dog. Oh, she's already eating some grass. See? You're welcome. He wants to be friends with Daddy. Daddy, don't dig in there. I think they like her. You like the doggy? Hi, buddy. Hi. All right. So it begins. Hopefully. Yeah, and now I've got this. I've got a turkey and all of the geese running loose. So that just adds to my day. I already put them back twice, and they just got back out again. Yep.